Hey guys, this is Group 41 and we are doing the NAE challenge providing access to clean water. My name is Hu Yan Tao.
My name is Frank Madu.
My name's Jacqueline Soria.
And this is our project. So as you can see to the video, we want to provide access to clean water and we are collaborating with Samaritans First to help provide donations for them. The reason why we're doing awareness, and so we created a code where it can give the user a data that they wanted, and at the same time give them an option to donate money to the Samaritans First.
So for our programs, we used for loops instead of while loops, due to the fact that for loops can look at not only just the amount of rows or columns, but both of them at the same time. So we use this specifically to look for find the row number find the column number for each string that was given for each of the countries. And also, it would be better to use a for loop than a while loop, because unlike a for loop, the while loop keeps repeating variables infinitely, and there would probably be no stop to the variable unless a given command or like a menu or an input variable is inside the while loop. And also for finding the graphs, once I input the strings, it'll locate the string where that given column is, and it'll locate the row where the given string is, and input the data from there on each of the columns for each row.
Okay, so here we'll show you a few examples of what the code looks like. So I have my assistant Frank. You will be typing in the code first. So Frank, can you please run the code first? So now that it has loaded in, it's gonna ask you which country would you like to see the water supply from. We have almost all the countries in the world, but for now let's just say we'll go with Afghanistan. Once you run that, you should see a line that says we have incentives for rural, total, and urban. Now, there is a difference. Total is the average of urban and rural, but urban is the city life, and then rural is the farm life. So for now, we'll just go with total. After you run it, it will show you a code so you can see how much the water has improved over the years. Like I said before, our years are from 1990 all the way to 2012. From this graph, you can tell that back in 1995, Afghanistan's total is about less than 10%. But now, in 2012, it is way above 50%. Now, I was going to ask you, would you like to select another country? For this round, what do they know? From here, it's be the option to donate money. Now, being the good Samaritan that you are, you're gonna donate. So we'll say yes. And from there, you will be shown an option. Well, it will show you 3 different projects that you can choose from. Jackie, can you please explain some more for us?
Okay, well, since he has mentioned that we are collaborating with Samaritan's Purpose, I had created a code where it would ask you if you wanted to know more about the donation options. So if you were to click yes, a menu option will pop up. It says informs you that there will be 3 different projects that you can choose to donate into. So you just click continue, and the 3 options will pop up. One of them being drill a well for a village, the other one being give a water filter to the family, and providing clean water projects. You can click any of these. Just click, for example, drill a well for a village. It will tell you information that I have pulled up from the website itself on what their project was about. And it seems that you can donate as much as you can, but a recommended amount would be $20. So when it asks you do you want to hear about other projects, type in yes, and type another option like give water filtered to a family. Click that one, and again, it would inform you about the situation and how do they plan on taking care of it. If you want, you can read this later, and it would ask you again, do you want to hear about the other projects? And just for time consumption, we're gonna type no. And it will tell you in a menu saying, after we have provided information, would you still like to donate to one of these projects? If you click no, it would just thank you for your time. But if you run it again and click yes, a menu option will pop up saying, to what project would you like to donate to? And we even mentioned a recommended amount. So if you wish to donate to the drill a well for the village, recommended $20, but you don't have to. You just, an input statement will come out saying how much would you like to donate. And if you type in $200, that $200 will go through a process of equations, and eventually it will tell you how many people have you helped gain access to clean water. And again, we will thank you for your donations. And if you were to run the code again, again, you have to go through the process like, would you like to hear about Samaritan's Purpose? And just say yes. Again, you have to go through the menu options, hear about it again. And would you like to hear about other projects for time consumption again? Just say no. And would you like to donate to the projects? Anytime you say no or X out, we will tell you, thank you for your time or thank you for your consideration. But for this time, we're gonna click yes. Donate to give a water filter to a family, and it would ask you how much would you like to donate. Again, it's $100, and it will tell you how many families have you helped. So, and again, it will thank you for your donations. And it's just to inform you of what your money is being put into whenever you type in the amount you wish to donate to. And for the code, the only limitations that we believe that will be a factor in this code is the fact that in the first part of the code, not all the countries are mentioned in the data. Like if you were to type in Africa, we don't have data over them. So that would be one factor. Another factor would be we only have data since 1990. So if you wanted to look about the water percentages before that, we would not be able to provide information on that. And another limitation would be if you wanted to continue donating, it would not add up donations. Therefore, you would not be have you been helping after every donation. And I think that's it.
Guys, and this is our project for providing access to clean water. We hope you take the time to look through it and consider donating to this, because this is a very good cause and it helps provide a lot of money for the organization, or they can help more families. Thank you.